Samagra Shiksha. Samagra Shiksha is a sector-wide development program which subsumes the then existing central sponsored schemes of Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan SSA and Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan RMSA and Teachers Education TE to help harmonizing the implementation of mechanisms and transaction cost at all the levels, particularly in using state, district and sub-district level systems and resources. Besides envisaging one comprehensive strategic plan for development of school education at district level, the shift in the focus is from the project objectives to improving the systems levels performance and schooling outcomes, which will be the emphasis of the combined scheme along with incentivizing states towards improving the quality of education. The integrated scheme envisages the school as a continuum from the preschool, primary, upper primary, secondary to senior secondary levels. The vision of the scheme is to ensure inclusive and equitability quality education from preschool to senior secondary stage in accordance with Sustainable Development Goals SDG for education. The major objectives of the scheme are provision of quality education and enhancing the learning outcomes of the students, bridging social and gender gaps in school education, ensuring equity and inclusion at all the levels of schools education, ensuring minimum standards in schooling provisions, promoting vocalization of education, support states in implementation of right to children to free and compulsory education RTE Act 2009, strengthening and upgradation of state councils of educational research and training SCRTs and state institutes of education SIEs and district institutes of education and training DIETs as nodal agencies for teachers training. The main outcomes of the scheme are envisaged as universal access, equity and quality, promoting vocalizational and of education and strengthening of teacher education institutions TEIs. The Samagra Shiksha is implemented as centrally sponsored scheme by the department through a single state implementation society SIS at the state level or UT level. It provides for a governing council headed by education minister at a national level and a project approval board headed by secretary department of school and literacy. The GC governing council is empowered to modify financial and programmatic norms and approve detailed guidelines for implementation within the overall framework of the scheme. Such modifications will include innovations and interventions to improve the quality of school education. States are expected to bring a single plan for entire school education sector. Under Samagra Shiksha, an amount of nearly 30,000 crore has been sanctioned at a revised estimate stage for the financial year 2018-19, out of which 29,350 nearly crore 95% has been released as central share to the states and the union territories. The fund sharing pattern for the scheme between the center and state is at present in the ratio of 90:10 for the 8th northeast states, that is Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim and Tripura, and 3 Himalayan states, that is Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, and 60:40 for all other states and union territories with legislature. It is 100% centrally sponsored for union territories without legislature. This is in accordance with the recommendations of a subgroup of chief ministers on the rationalization of centrally sponsored schemes received on October 2015. The major interventions across all levels of the school education under the scheme are universal access, including the infrastructure development and retention, gender and equity, inclusive education, quality, financial support for teacher salary, digital initiatives, RTE, entitlements including the uniforms, textbooks, etc., preschool education, vocational education, sports and physical education, strengthening of a teacher education, training, and national component. Preference in the interventions is given to educationally backward blocks, EBBs, LWE affected districts, special focus districts SFDs, border areas, and 115 aspirational districts. The main emphasis of the scheme is on empowering the quality of school education by focusing on 2T's, teacher and technology. The strategy for all the interventions under the scheme is To enhance the learning outcomes at all the levels of schooling, the scheme proposes to give flexibility to the states and union territories to plan and prioritize their interventions within the scheme norms and the overall resource envelope available to them. Funds are allocated based on the objective criteria based on enrollment of students, committed liabilities, learning outcomes, and various performance indicators. The scheme will help in improving the transition rates across various levels of school education and aids in promoting universal access to children to complete school education. The integration of teacher education would facilitate effective convergence and linkages between the different support structures in school education through interventions such as unified training calendar, innovations in pedagogy, mentoring and monitoring, etc. This single scheme will enable the SCERTs to become the nodal agencies for conduct and monitoring of all in-service training programs to make it need focus and dynamic. It would also enable reaping the benefits of technology and widening the access of good quality education across all the states and union territories of all sections of the society.